Hey, Jimmy with Cuffing Stuff. Man, today we got a good one for you. We're doing 2 turkey breasts. We're gonna do barbecue turkey breasts and we're gonna smoke them. You will not believe how easy and how delicious these turn out. Moist, tender, delicious. So stick around, you're gonna wanna see this one. So, hang tight. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got 2 3-pound turkey breasts, okay? Now, these are small pieces of meat, but I would say these are halves just because of the weight. They are definitely boneless, almost skinless. And I'm gonna get them seasoned up. You know it's gonna be Uncle Steve's, but what are we using? We're using Gator Shake. Oh man, this has got a citrus pop to it that's gonna make this turkey, oh my goodness. All right, I've got him done pretty good. I'm gonna put him, you see I've got a little rack here that I've got some foil underneath. All right, let's get the other one done. We'll season him up good. I want to get both sides real good, getting the edges. Let's set him out on the rack. Be sure I get that covered up. Now there were some small pieces. This is the cook's bonus. They're gonna get done first, and that's fine. Let's get them done first. We'll try and see how this turkey tastes. All right, so as always, I'm gonna let this hang out for a little bit. But wait a minute, I got one other thing I want to do that always adds flavor to this. Let me get this glove off. I'm going to use, this is Tony Chachere's roasted garlic and herb. Now, I don't always do an injection. More times than not with turkey, I'm going to do a brine, but this time, we're just going to take, and I'm just using the injector that came with it. It is so good just to be able to do a injection and just throw this thing away. It is a throwaway. So let's get this injected up. Now, one thing, if you noticed, I seasoned it first. Well, so why? I have found out that anything that I'm going to inject, that if I inject it first and then I season it, and getting both sides and twisting and turning and whatnot, I end up squeezing a majority of my injection out. So I have just found out that if I season him first, I really don't knock the seasoning off. I may wash a little bit off, but not much. But anyway, let's get him pumped as much as he'll hold. Oh my goodness, and look at here. Look at here. This is gonna be some kind of good. All right. Look how he swells up. All right. And I'm gonna lay just as much as I can in there. All right, I think we're good. And I used 2/3 of that bottle just on those 2 little breaths. So let's let him hang out a little bit. I'm gonna get the smoker ready and I'll bring you back. Okay, well, smoker's up to temp. We got her up. Got water in the water pan down here. Now I've got a drip pan that I'm gonna leave right there. All right, I think that this smoker runs a little warmer toward the back side. So I'm gonna put these in with the fat part to the back, and I'm gonna put these smaller pieces up front. And let's take our probe. I want to put this right there. I got that one in the top. Let's close him up. And, okay, note the time. We're gonna let it go for at least an hour, and then we'll come back and check it out. So when we do, we'll bring you back. Well, okay, we're just a hair over an hour in. We just put wood in the firebox. I want to check the temperature here. Help turn the power on. Get with that one, you got to turn it on. All right, that one's about 95. That's about 97. Even the little pieces aren't done yet. But we got good water in the water pan. They're looking good. Starting to get a little color. All right. Well, that's an hour. Okay. Well, we are at 160 on the big probe. It is time. I'm going to take this. This is a sweet mustard base barbecue sauce. You know that makes it a Carolina barbecue sauce, and that is exactly what we're going to put over the top of this. And this is going to be good stuff. I know what I'm saying. I'm going to do little pieces while I'm at it. Boy, I guarantee you they're done. I haven't checked them in a while. They ought to be good and done. All right. Oh yeah, that's made a nice crust on the outside. I can feel it with a brush. Put these in here. All right, let's close them back up. All right, and we'll let him finish. Okay, well, we have hit 165 on both of these. Oh, it's time to take them off. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. All right. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to take and cover this with a foil and take it in and let it rest for just a little bit. And then we're going to slice it. And when we do, I'll bring you back. Okay. Well, here we go. We have let this rest about 20 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's about pencil thickness. It's done. I know it's done. Again, another one of those. I wish you could smell this. Oh, this smells so good. Okay. Let's see what we got. Look how juicy that is. Knew it was gonna be. With that injection, it is done just right. Let's cut a piece out here. I want one right out of the middle right here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, only thing left to do is take a bite. Oh my gosh. It's like biting in butter. Tender, juicy. It has that barbecue flavor. But oh my gosh. We took 2 turkey breasts. We smoked them in the smoker. It took 2.5, 3 hours to do. Simple. We did that Carolina twist to it with the barbecue sauce. It's got just a hint of that flavor. So, thanks for sticking around. Hit the circle over here and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.